Group formation and cohesion are integral aspects of social psychology, providing insight into how and why individuals come together to form groups and the forces that keep these groups united. The formation of groups is a fundamental human tendency, rooted in our evolutionary past, where survival often depended on being part of a group. Social identity theory, developed by Henry Toshfell and John Turner, suggests that people form groups to enhance their self-image. Identifying with a group gives a sense of belonging and self-esteem. Similarity. Groups often form on the basis of similarity. People tend to associate with others who share similar interests, values, beliefs, or backgrounds. This similarity provides a basis for mutual understanding and shared experiences. Proximity. Physical or geographical closeness also plays a crucial role in group formation. Proximity increases the likelihood of interaction and facilitates the development of relationships. Festinger, Schachter, and Back's study on residential proximity in the 1950s demonstrated that mere physical closeness could lead to the formation of friendships and groups. Common goals and interests. Groups often form when individuals have common goals or interests that they believe can be better achieved or enjoyed collectively. This is seen in study groups, sports teams, and work committees. Social needs. Abraham Maslow's hierarchy of needs highlights the importance of social needs, love, and belonging as fundamental human motivators. Group formation can be a response to these social needs, providing a sense of belonging and emotional support. Cohesion refers to the forces that bind members together in a group, influencing the group's stability and effectiveness. Interpersonal attraction. Cohesion is strengthened when members like each other and enjoy each other's company. This can be influenced by factors like shared interests, personal compatibility, and mutual respect. Task commitment. Cohesion is also driven by commitment to the group's tasks or goals. When members are invested in achieving a common goal, cohesion tends to be high, as seen in sports teams or project groups in a workplace. Group pride. A strong sense of pride in the group and its identity contributes to cohesion. This is often seen in high-performing teams or groups with a long history of success and tradition. Norms and roles. Clearly defined roles and norms can strengthen cohesion by reducing conflicts and clarifying expectations. When members know what is expected of them and how they fit into the group, they are more likely to feel a sense of belonging. External threats and competition. Groups often become more cohesive in response to external threats or competition. This us versus them mentality can strengthen in-group bonds. Leadership. Effective leadership can foster cohesion by creating a positive group atmosphere, facilitating clear communication, and ensuring that members feel valued and understood. Cohesion is important for several reasons. It enhances group satisfaction, increases productivity, and reduces member turnover. However, too much cohesion can lead to groupthink, where the desire for harmony overrides realistic appraisal of alternatives. In conclusion, understanding group formation and cohesion is key to comprehending many aspects of social behavior. As social beings, our groups shape our experiences, influence our decisions, and contribute significantly to our identity and well-being.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.